how to log in Netflix. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can log in Netflix, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now if you want to log in Netflix, all you have to do is first of all make sure you download the Netflix application there, and once you download the app, what you have to do is just go ahead and then open up the Netflix application. Now if you don't have an account, by the way, you can just directly tap the get started option from the bottom of the screen to go ahead and then create your Netflix account. But if you already have an account, then you just have to tap the login option from the top right. Then all you have to do is just make sure to enter your email or phone number here. So just go ahead and make sure to enter your email address or your phone number, and then your password. Then you tap the sign in option. If you don't know what password you've typed in, you'll find the I button, or you can tap on forgot password if you forgot your password, and then if you would like to reset them. This way you can go ahead and then basically log in the Netflix app. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.